Welcome to the land of the dinosaurs. We are going to simulate a volcanic eruption. First, we've made a model of a volcano with modelling clay, haven't we?
Yes.
How did we do that?
We got some modelling clay. We made some little balls. We got a tissue roll. We put the tissue roll inside here, in the centre of it, and ripping little tiny bits off. I made this little stuff that big, that bit there, and then it goes like this, upwards. Then you just get the modelling clay, just get it right up. Do a ring, go higher and higher and higher until you get to the top.
Then what do you have to do?
But first you have to water it before you do that. Then you get some of the water on your hands, put it in the centre of the tissue roll.
Volcano?
The centre of the volcano, then paint over it.
Did we have to do something
Green.
first? Did we paint it straight away?
And then you got purple and blue. Got the two purple and blue colours. Mixed them together. We got kind of this colour on the volcano.
Okay.
And right now, and then we've made little balls.
Mm.
We put them on here,
Mm.
on the around the surrounding thing. Put a little dinosaur on it,
Okay.
and then we're done.
And now
And
what
this.
are we going to do?
We are going to. We have. We have.
A carbonate of soda.
We have a carbonate of soda, red food colouring, and vinegar.
Okay, we're going to mix them together.
And then we got the soda, poured it in the centre of the volcano, then got the red food, and then we got the red food colouring, and then poured the vinegar inside,
Mm. And now what are we going to do?
and mixed. But now we're gonna. Do you see this?
Mm.
This little bit here. That's what you need to have a cup with this
Jug.
here. A jug. Do you see it? Right here.
Okay.
And then through this bit, here it comes. What is gonna happen?
Don't know. Let's see.
Now, can you do it, Mummy? Just 2 minutes, please. Stand back, everyone.
What's happened? A volcano has erupted.
You see this? There's some bubbles on it. Pop this one.
What do you think's in that bubble?
And then it makes a new one.
Mm.
Here. These cool stuff.
Cool, what's that?
Syringe.
Mm.
This is what it should have done. It's supposed to erupt. This is what it
The
should
eruption happens as the carbon dioxide gas is given off by the mixture.
see.
This causes pressure to build up and gas to bubble out.
And this
This is very close to what happens to volcanoes in real life. Wow. happened very quickly, didn't it, Hamish? Have you got anything else to say about your experiment?
Yes. That makes it really fizzy there. I don't know why, but you see this? It makes it orange. I just want to show you a little bit of the liquid.
Wow, look at that. Oh,
This is the liquid.
it's amazing, isn't it?
Don't worry, you can do this your own.
Oh,
That is lava. You see what's inside it?
if it was real lava, do you think you'd be able to touch it?
No.
Why?
But this. It's too
Was it-
hot.
Oh, yeah. How are you feeling, Mr.
Right.
Dinosaur?
Right, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.